Guys, welcome back to another day of the channel. Today we are going to be continuing on from the last video and testing out the off-road tow truck that I had built. Okay, so we're currently loading into Off-Road Outlaws. Yeah. Takes a long time to load into Off-Road Outlaws because I've got 89 vehicles, maybe 90, so it takes a while to load in. There we go, we've almost loaded in, about time. Or not. Oh wait, here we go. Oh yeah. The update came out for Off-Road Outlaws. So what we're gonna do is do some more mods to the tow truck. Here's some of the new rigs I've built. Now, where is that tow truck? There it is. Now, what we might do is give it an aerial or an antenna from what Americans call them. But just to be clear, an antenna receives information and doesn't put out information. So like a TV antenna. An aerial receives information and puts out information. So yeah. I'll put this on the probably the bull bar if it'll go there. You can put LED lights and everything on here. Which is kind of cool. Okay, so I don't think no, I can't. Okay, that's all good. I cannot stick this onto the bull bar because it doesn't go out far enough. It does in certain vehicles, like it's on the bull bar of my Jeep and all that, but probably because of how far the bull bar sticks out on this thing, they don't want to let you. There we go. I set it on there. Antenna length might make it a little longer. We'll make it color pink. LED lights, enable lights, a topper. What type of topper shall we run? There you go, that's what we'll do. We'll go about that. There we go, and we've got our topper. We've got a aerial done. There's some new tyres, but we're not going to put them on it because we're good with the tyres we've already got, but yeah. Oh yeah, they also added a new toolbox or repair pack, so I'm going to set that on it. Now we are going to go to, I don't know, a map. yeah, we're gonna go to another ow. Another map. There you go, custom maps. I could test my own vehicle on my own map, but it's no fun. We'll go to Malta Wild. Actually, no. Hazard County. I like Hazard County a little bit more because all the trails are closer together. So you're always going to end up back to the city and you can't get lost. Because the trails are like close together and they all join together. Yeah. I will get back to you when we load into the map. Okay, so we are here. I'm going to turn the game sound on. Okay, so we have loaded in with the travel wagon. Oh yeah, with this new update, as you might notice, you can roll a lot more coal, as you can see. Like, if I put this in neutral, like, that is a lot of coal. So yeah, I might turn game sound to that so you can hear me a bit better. Yeah, around tons of coal. So pretty good. Yeah. So we're gonna go hit a trail and do whatever from there. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna head down this track. Yeah, we're gonna head down here. See if we can find an interesting track. Well, what I could say though is, if you ever want to come traveling with me, comment down below in the comments section, and I might add you on something like a social media or something, and yeah, make a code and go trailing, I suppose. Oh, that thing walked up to that. So like, I almost thought the camera wasn't filming then, but luckily it was. Oh, I walked up to that. This would be a perfect recovery vehicle. I mean, I suppose it is a recovery tow truck, so tends to help if you actually press the accelerator. So yeah, this would be a recovery tow truck. So if you ever get stuck, don't mind to call me and see if I can come pull you out with this thing. Oh god. Screen record, it doesn't really lag this map much. As soon as I put that screen recorder on, holy hell, it starts lagging. Oh damn. That's actually gonna be a bit of trouble. I might have to put the diff locks on for this hill. We'll give it 2 more attempts without diff locks, and if I don't make it, I'm chucking diff locks on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to set diff locks on. I don't like putting diff locks on. They overheat too easy. But yeah. Because most of the vehicle overheat. I don't know why we're not getting up. I don't know why it doesn't want to get up there. Yeah, it just doesn't want to go up here. I had this problem with the Ford Ranger. I didn't want to go up this hill. I'll be back. I have to go deal with something. Yeah. Okay, so we are back. And I don't know why this thing is not having much fun trying to get up this hill. If I don't make it up in the next 5 tries, I'm gonna go a different way. Look, even the bloody Divlox ain't doing shit. Then yeah, I can get a bloody, what do you want to call it? A cat eye that walks up this. And it sits lower. Cat eye is probably one of my favourite chefs in the game. But my favourite would be the Bel Air. But I hate the Silverado. That's just a fact straight up there. And this first Silverado added in the red one, I absolutely hate it. It looks like shit. Come on, no, it's got to try bounce that front end around. To get the bloody. See? It's bloody being a bitch. I'll talk to you when I get to the top of this hill. Okay, so I finally made it up. Woo, that was a lot of work, but I did it. So, yeah. I'm pretty proud of myself actually trying to get this thing up. It took me about 5 minutes. Probably a good thing I didn't pause it. Otherwise I'd paused it. Otherwise this video would go for ages. It was like another 5 minutes to get up it. But I found a line and got up it. It wants to. But I don't think that tow truck part on the back's making it way more difficult. I don't think it's tow truck type thing is very good off-road. It's it's got a lot of wheel spin, but not enough drive. Fuck! This tree is in my bloody way, and I've fallen all the way back down again. Bloody hell! I sound like I'm having issues, but I'm not. This is normal me. My little brother and sister are also pissing me off. So, I am kind of annoyed at the moment. Ooh, there we go. Diff locks off. Well, that could be one of the part of the troubles why I didn't want to get up that hill. Ooh. Hey yo, this is us. I drove up this once. Up this hill. In a cat eye. People telling me I can't do it, and then I do it. There's tons of more trails I could do around here, but I don't want to keep this video going too long because I've got to start working on my new video that I'm going to be doing, which is going to be building a probably a 6x6 or a 2nd gen Dodge, and then taking them off road. But yeah, I'll show you what my next video is going to be. Before I go though, I want to show you what's in my trailer. Property vehicles, and then this is what is in the trailer. Let's take it. It is a 2021 Ford Bronco. They added into the game, which is sick as hell. And look at the amount of coal this thing runs. See, as I was saying, see, on my Bronco I've got the aerial on the bull bar, so what I really like doing is going 5th gear high and then taking off. And looking at all that coal. Because because if you take off in 1st gear, this is all the coal you get. That's no fun. 4th is alright, but you run out of coal too quick as well. 5th, on the other hand, you're rolling coal for ages down the road. Like, yeah. Well, before we end the video, actually, we might do. Second gear low. 3rd gear low. Nah, I have to stick 3rd gear low in the mud. This might take me about 1 billion years to get through this, but that's okay. I'm about to get to the checkpoint. We're doing 2 kilometers an hour. Can somebody tell me what's that thing in the middle of the speedo? I don't know what it is. I know that's Fahrenheit or degrees, whatever. That's the temperature of the car. Hey, world record 109.23. Record keeper is Nathan Paul Flex. Ha ha ha, dope. There we go. So I think you've seen enough in this video. I will talk to you in the next video. Peace out.